So what is Dr. Tedros saying?
Well, he's one, asking for more sharing of data, more sharing of information. But at the same time, the WHO is saying that there has been increased engagement from Beijing on data sharing, the sequencing of viruses that are found here in China in the last 10 days. They're also saying, as you mentioned, that 97.5% of the cases in China here are being caused by 2 known variants of Omicron. There have been no signs of new variants emerging in China. But at the same time, the WHO is saying that they believe the statistics being provided by Beijing are undercounting when it comes to infections, serious cases, and deaths.
John, in the meantime, we're seeing the EU kind of try and build consensus and striking a middle ground when it comes to some of these travel measures. And at the same time, airlines are criticising the measures that have been taken by a lot of other nations.
Yeah, we've had a number of EU nations, Italy, Spain, France already imposed testing requirements for any travelers coming from China, Hong Kong, Macau. But other EU nations taking a different stance, trying to take a more nuanced approach. Obviously, we've had the Chinese government come out and say they believe some of these measures are unnecessary, excessive, unacceptable, and pledging to retaliate in some situations. And so obviously some push and pull there. And for airlines, they've been waiting for China to reopen, obviously one of the world's biggest markets for flying. And so arguing the IATA that travel restrictions do not stop waves, they just help delay them. So ultimately, they don't do anything but hurt the economy.